Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Tesla estimated to deliver 500,000 units by Q4 2022, Global Equities Research says. Minister says in talks with Tesla and other automakers about production in Canada. Tesla visits graphite mine and factory in Quebec. Let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price today up 3.38%, year to date down 29%, past year up 13%. Tesla estimated to deliver 500,000 units by Q4 2020, Global Equity Research said. Chowdhry visited Tesla's Fremont factory in California, making a few key observations that led to his 500K plus estimate for the fourth quarter. Chowdhry observed Tesla employees' dedication to their work, noting that their motivation was unparalleled in the car industry. He added that Tesla employees worked throughout Labor Day weekend. Similarly, Janarikas was mesmerized by the factory's chaotic symphony and employee morale. The Tesla analyst also highlighted that the Fremont factory's production time frame, the time it takes for a vehicle to reach shipping trucks, has become at least 10% more efficient compared to Q2 2022. Plus, he noted that Model S plate production and deliveries have significantly ramped. The analyst observed that Elon Musk slept in the Gigafactory, Texas, for about 3 nights in August, hinting at some major work happening in Tesla's new headquarters. Giga Texas has ramped production recently. He also noted that multiple delivery trucks filled with Model Y units started leaving Giga Texas on September the 1st, suggesting that Austin-made Model Y vehicles will begin rolling out to more customers soon. Chowdhry's Q4 2022 delivery estimates. The Fremont factory, 145,000 cars. Giga Shanghai, 246,000 cars. Giga Berlin, 60,000. Giga Texas, 60,000, and the total is 511,000 units for Q4 2022. Minister says in talks with Tesla and other automakers about production in Canada. Canada Industry Minister Francois-Philippe Champagne said on Wednesday he was talking to many automakers, including Tesla, about establishing more production in Canada. Canada is becoming the green supplier of choice to the auto industry and the aerospace industry. That's certainly what I'm proposing, Champagne told reporters in Vancouver. Yes, I'm talking to them, Champagne said, in response to a question about reports of Tesla looking to build a factory in Canada. I'm talking also to all the automakers around the world. Tesla visits graphite mine and factory in Quebec. Nouveau Monde Graphite is a Quebec-based company developing a graphite mine and processing facilities to supply automakers and battery manufacturers with a critical material for creating the anode part of a battery cell. On top of mining their own graphite, Nouveau Monde is also working on a large anode material facility called the Bécancour Battery Material Plant. Electrek learned from sources familiar with the matter that Tesla recently paid a visit to Nouveau Monde's mine and phase 1 of its processing plant. Tesla, like many other automakers lately, has turned to Canada's mineral resources to secure supply to build batteries and support their plan to rapidly increase electric vehicle production. When it comes to graphite, Tesla needs a significant amount to produce every vehicle. As we previously reported, Tesla asked the US government to waive tariffs on graphite from China last year, claiming that it can't get the mineral elsewhere. The request covered both artificial and natural graphite. Furthermore, Tesla has indicated that it is working on a new chemistry that it obtained through a startup acquisition that utilizes a new silicon in the anode to replace the graphite. However, the automaker also said that it plans to use a variety of chemistries and cell supply in order to satisfy its rapidly growing need for battery cells as it ramps up battery electric vehicle production. Nouveau Monde Graphite claims that it can produce a 99.95% pure spheric graphite product that will be cheaper and cleaner than synthetic graphite from Asia, which often requires fossil fuels in the transformation process. The company is issuing clean hydroelectricity to produce its anode material in Quebec, and it plans to use electric vehicles to operate its mining operations. Soon enough, there will be everything you need to build battery cells, all the same location and all from resources that are located within North America, especially with the new requirements about sourcing battery materials to get the new tax credit in the US. It makes trying to secure supply from Canada and Quebec Batteries Valley the perfect location. If Tesla doesn't do it, somebody else will. Can Tesla deliver over 500,000 units in Q4 2022? I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.